What's up, guys? Today I kept thinking if I should replace this guy or not, and let's just see here. It's not in very good shape. There's a step in here. It's a big one. It's all rusty in the middle, so you know I think I gotta rely on brakes, and I think this is also warped, so you keep turning and it gets stuck. So half of it turn and then gets stuck. So I got a new set of nice drilled, slotted brake rotors, and those go in there. Let's do it now. So for this here, we need a bunch of Allen wrench, but like this, a little pick, which we're gonna use in here. Let's see if I can take one. So behind the caliper there are two covers, so you gotta take those covers off. And I don't know if you can see, if it's too dark, but in here there's a 7mm bolt, and we're gonna take that out of there. So first I would suggest to use a breaker bar. There you go. Here, there you go. I just put a new one so it wasn't too bad. And now we're going to, there you go. So you see I have new lines and everything. I'm gonna remove this guy, and there's another one on right below this guy. Space is very short in here, but once I take that out, you're gonna get this one. Let me get here. You pick in here, you put on the side, boom, and you expose the bolt. Let me take those out of here. Okay, those two out. Now we're gonna get, so this here secures the caliper on the support. So I would suggest you, I gotta put you back a little bit, put a little glove in here or something so you don't get hurt, and go ahead and try to pry this out the way you can. There you go. So took the bottom out and then the top. It's a little bit rusty. The bolts are off, but they are long, so you need to be sure that after they are off, take them out all the way. There you go. So you can guarantee that they are not pushing in the hole as you're trying to remove. This here, usually it pushes the brakes, so it might be hard, and you might need to do a little workout here and do like this. Push just a little bit, not a lot, so it retracts a little bit, but in my case it's out. So that was easy, and there you go. So I have here everything I need. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a cord or something, and I'm gonna tie this in here, or actually I'm gonna just set this in there so it doesn't pull doesn't pull this here. Otherwise, the other way, you can get a little elastic cord or a little cord and just tie this somewhere else on the holes, and then you're good to go. Okay, so now we need to get a 6mm Allen wrench, and we're gonna remove this one here. So let me try to take out without taking the brackets out of there. Oh, it'll work. Nice. Okay, that's it. Old and the new. You can see how rusty this is inside. Look at how much rust on the bottom. So yeah, see, all new and beautiful. Let me try to put this one in there. So now we get the new one, kind of align where the hole is, slide carefully, and there you go. If it doesn't go like this, unfortunately, you need to remove those brackets. And what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna put some NICs here. And that's a step I wasn't expecting. My one bolt broken here, the other one is just stripped. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna align this here as much as I can. I didn't want to go to the dealership and buy another one, so I went to Ace and got this bolt here. It's M8 125. This is of course a M6 M nothing. It's a E46 in 2001. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get the Allen wrench that fits in here. I'm gonna get blue Loctite. It's gonna vibrate pretty bad, so not a big deal if it falls off. People don't even use this, but because I'm gonna change tire very frequently, I want this here to be in place and my rotor to not spin freely. So I'm gonna put in there, tight this pretty good. There you go. And that's it. Now I'm gonna clean this here. As you see, it's kind of dirty. You know what I'm gonna do? I have brand new for the front. I'm gonna also replace it. Even though this is new, I'm gonna get brand new ones. Let me do it. Alright, for the new pads, there is one with a clip, the other one no clip. So the one with the clip goes on the back, and it goes like this, okay? And the one in front goes like this. Like this. Alright? And what we're gonna do is leave the front out. The back one, you're gonna get your caliper. Be sure that the cable is not twisted, and remember, goes like this. So you need to put the tab to the bottom and squeeze it. Let's take this out of here. We just need to be sure, and you push like this. Pretty hard to do in your hands like this, so I'm gonna put it in there. I just want to show you what I was doing. I'm gonna put it in here, and I have more leverage to do it in there. Alright, so I was able to push a little bit. Now, ooh, that was enough. So next thing I'm gonna do, if I put this guy in place, so put the top first. Be careful with your fingers. Use a screwdriver or something. It's gonna help you. There you go. So there you go. Just a little bit, and you got it. And now at the back, you could do the back first. It doesn't quite matter. You just gotta get those two guys. This is a it's a 7mm. So we're gonna put it in there. So one is done. It was the only drama was the little bolt. Those here, they have some rust inside, so I'm not sure what to do about it. But yeah, it looks straight to me. Size is good. Yeah, it looks beautiful. And that's it. That's how it looks like at the end. I'm gonna end this video here. The next video is gonna be the back one. I was gonna put both in one video, but this video is already on 10 minutes, so I choose to make it a couple. Don't forget to subscribe, leave that little like button, and make a little comment on how did I help you, or you know, any questions you have. I'll be glad to help. I'm not a mechanic, so be aware, and I'll see you around.
Look past my face. See status. I mean, it's a McDonald's.